Yo, I'm Nick Dog 17, and tonight I'll be camping. Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm super excited to challenge myself in the woods, going camping, see if I can do this or not. Oh, but first, I need supplies. Let's go. Got everything I need, off to the campsite. Alrighty. Okay, this is okay. Probably be setting my tent right up in this gravel area here. This control panel. This good old firewood still here. Yeah, I think this will do nicely. Oh, I would say this is gonna be one wild hoot. I wouldn't say that's bad. You think? That was a bunch of work. I gotta admit though, it's not bad for me. It's been a long time, so might as well check out my surroundings, see what's here. I'm guessing that's the outhouse. Don't bother going in there unless I really need to. Here's the pool. I would have gone if I had my swimsuit or a case for my GoPro, but this is camping, so used to the wilderness. All right, so the comments I got on the community page, which I posted for this video, only Joshua said anything, so hats off to him for having his notification bell on to know when I post on my community page. So all posts regarding live streams or new videos I'll be posting on my community page, so make sure you have the bell on. He suggested that I build some type of fort, but with all the woods here, I don't think I can build a fort in this campground, honestly. So, and let's see here. Oh, these gnats, man, these gnats. And as for the fishing idea, I have plenty of fishing videos on here you can check out, but this is about camping, and technically the stream down there is pretty much rising, so I don't think that would be a good idea, honestly. But thanks for the suggestion, man. Believe me, I love fishing, so maybe I'll do that next time. So wish me luck on all these bugs and gnats. So yeah, wish me luck. Well, you know what time it is. Whenever you're eager to go, you have to go, if you know what I mean. Oh man, and I just hope the insides of here are more clean, you know. Well, let's check out the damage. Smells good. That was fun. Oh. Wasn't actually half bad. At least it was clean. There was an open space. A crazy story. I've actually camped here before, and we had a trailer back then. So we never really used that for the... Oh, wait, actually, we had to use that because it was the only place we could take a shower. So it was okay time, I guess, with family, but now I'm doing this again myself for my channel. So if you stuck around this long, thanks a lot. Let's see, open this up with the snag. There. And it's an okay space. Got my mattress, and, a few holders, the window. Maybe I'll put that down, I don't know, but it's a pretty decent enough camper, I'd say. So looks great. I'm bored. Nothing to do but see what's out there. A bunch of tires, and there's a playground over there, but I can't really go down there. There's a trail I found, at least. Whoop, somebody's house. Let's turn back. Well, back at the site. That was quick. Good thing there were no dogs on that property. But this is about as much as you can get at this campground, other than the swimming pool up ahead and the more campers and more houses over there, but I can't show any of that, so hopefully this would do. Now I just have to wait here until my old man gets here with the hot dogs. As well as I'm here, might as well get the fire started as usual. For this to be a challenge, I got fire starter with flint and steel. And if these prove to be useless, I'll just use trusty lighter. We have fire. Oh, no, that's a good looking fire. I would say it's not bad. Check that off the list. Now, weenie time. Yummy. For me, I like ketchup. A lot of ketchup. Oh, ooh. That was my bad. Ooh.
Hazel.
There we go. You think I'm a ketchup freak? Yep, you'd be right. Mmm. Marshmallow time. Oh, that's a good one. Golden brown on this side, charred on this side. Oh well. I like my s'mores plain. A standard s'mores with chocolate underneath. Mmm. Delicious. Well, I did it. I survived the day. Now I have to survive the night. Hopefully it all goes well. See you all in the morning, guys. Well, guys, I survived the night. Now it's time to pack up and head on home. Well, this was a fun adventure, guys. It was really fun. I haven't done that in a long time. This was a good challenge. So make sure you click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Give a thumbs up. Give a like on this video if you liked it, if you enjoyed it. And share it among your friends to let them see my channel. And put down your comments below on what you think I should do next. This was real fun and hope to do more challenges along the way. Thanks, guys. You're great. Peace out. Thanks for watching, dogs. If you like this video, don't forget to check out more videos on NateDog17, where I have other videos just as amazing and as fun. Because when it comes to fun challenges, I'm all in for them. Don't forget to click subscribe to see me do lives and other fun video challenges. Hit that bell button so you get notifications. Thanks for watching, dogs. Peace out.